Hello friends and welcome back to the TechVision channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG Gram Plus View 17 portable monitor. So friend, LG has announced the Gram Plus View 17 portable display in Japan, offering high quality 17-inch monitor with advanced features. The display boasts a QHD plus resolution 2560 into 1600 pixel, which delivers sharp images and vibrant color, ideal for both work-related tasks and entertainment with 60 Hz refresh rate, and the monitor offers smooth motion handling for everyday use. Weight only 780 gram, and the Gram Plus V70 is designed for portability, making it easy for user to carry it while traveling or working remotely. And the built-in Duo 1.5 speaker enhance for user experience and eliminating the need for external audio devices. And additionally, the monitor 350 nits of peak brightness and 1200 German content ratio ensure the content remain clear and vibrant under various lighting conditions, and the 99% of DCI-P3 color gamut makes the display particularly beneficial for tasks that require precise color accuracy such as photo and video editing, and the connectivity option including two full functional USB Type-C port for data transfer and power delivery, along with the Mini HDMI port for connecting to external devices. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.